What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. So I'm actually gonna head out to Santa Clara right now. I'm gonna go pick up my kid. What do you guys think about the wheels I bought for the WRX? Let me know in the comment section below. Anyways, I'm gonna go watch this thing because it's filthy right now. Let me show you guys my window. Yes, this is my window. It's filthy. And so there was a homeless guy sitting right next to my car the other day, and he threw what was it, like fucking peanut butter and jelly all over the side, my back window. Anyways, I'm gonna go wash this thing because it's filthy, and then go pick up my kid because I have a long drive to Santa Clara. Alright, so let me change my shoes because I can't get these dirty more than what they already are. So let's switch right about. Alright, boys, just like that. We're gonna get some change and start washing this bad boy because, like I said, it was really dirty. So let's get started. So CV is nice and clean now. The bad thing is that I forgot a chamois to dry this thing up, and I don't have a rag with me. So I'm gonna have to drive it this way to my house and then dry it out there and then head out because I'm already running late, like always, right? Alright guys, catch you guys later. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Well, I don't know if I already did the intro. Anyways, I washed my car yesterday. It was all pointless because it looks like bird poop right there all over my hood. Joke's on me, right? Joke's on me. Anyways, I have to clean it. But the point of this video is today we got something for the Subaru. It's laying right in front of me. Excuse me if I look like a mess. It's my day off, so it's my lazy day. Either way, I'm gonna remove the front bumper and of course sand it down right here. Kind of prep it out a little bit. Well, I'm gonna install the lip on the WRX today. All right, so bumper's out. There's a couple of clips right here, and here. There's like 5 here and 2 here, right, same as that side. And there is of course clips holding these right here, and there is one more that goes in here and holds here. So that's what I did. If you guys want to remove, or you guys want to do the same thing for your Subaru, I think it's going to be the same for an STI. I'm not quite so sure, but it was just really simple, pretty straightforward. And of course, to remove the fog lights, and there it is. Here it is. It cost me like 80 bucks, this one, on Amazon, and I was supposed to get it here on June 9th. Today's June. I'm sorry, I was supposed to get it delivered on July 9th. Well, today is July 9th, and I already had it sitting for about 2 weeks or so. Anyways, I'm gonna flip my bumper and start doing the install. 2 screws right now. I'll pick up the camera as soon as I'm done putting them on. I know I have to put 2 self-tappers right here, one here and another one right here. So yeah, let me just pick up the camera as soon as I get these bolted on, because it's really hot and I want to get it over with. I still have to do the wheels for the WRX that's sitting back there, and I have to get them ready. So like I said, I have to shoot 2 videos at the same time. So yeah, I want to rush this real quick and later on go for a nice photo shoot, so you guys can tell the difference on stock and with the lift. Oh wow, it does make a difference. It's not much of a difference, but it is. You can tell. They don't look kind of weird anymore. Like I said, I still have to clip these on. The kids are inside my car. What are you guys doing inside my car? I just have to clip these on and put zip ties on these quarters right here. I might take out the F30 just to go get the zip ties. I'm not so sure, because I need to pump air on one of the tires. Alright guys, just like that, the Subaru is done. The front end is done. I'm gonna go for a little cinematic in a little bit. I don't want to say bye. Bye. I am gonna go get a cinematic in a little spot and go for a nice photo shoot and a thumbnail for this video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys until the next one. I'm gonna pick up the next video with the same day because I need to catch up on footage. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys until the next one. Peace out.
Yeah, even I'm gonna upload a new video today too. It's gonna come out when this video comes out and get uploaded.
Yeah, by the way, I do have a channel for my sons. It's called Lizard Band. I don't know, that's the name he chose. Anyways, his video might go up at the same time as this one. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys until the next one. Peace out.
Check it. Yo, this beat so heavily, so I deceptively reach inside of my mind and take whatever's left of me. A soul dissecting me, yeah, a well-known enemy, ever changing the man that I was for, my true identity, yo. Check out my pedigree, smooth, vicious and readily, rule rhythms and melodies, fools, bitches and heavy weed. Fuck your amenity, life, a given memory, time soon is ending it while we living selfishly. Cynical brain, killing a physical frame, minimal gain, pitiful lyrical moment of change, pinnacle stage, critical age. Everything that I've done in my life has led me to this day.